Hey everybody, welcome again back to the Ashfall Wolf Pack series. So, I'm actually eating waffles right now. Yay. So delicious. Okay. So yes, I am chewing something on this video because I'm eating waffles. So I have 300. We need a few more, and I think we're good to go for getting a mate. So, let's go back to the hunting ground. So, I'm trying to make my voice deeper so it sounds more like me, because I do have a deep voice. And I'm also talking with Sakura the wolf. And she thought I was a boy, which is totally fine, because the way I sound like a boy. Oh my Jesus, where did this thing go? She has an Animal Jam thingy. I've only played Animal Jam a few times. I got hacked because I had like a black lung or whatever it's called. And then I was like, you know what, screw this game. And I moved on to WolfQuest and then Feral Heart. And now WolfQuest again. And my friend keeps texting me on my phone. Oh, no, don't you. What? Wait, where'd you go? Is that you? I think it is. What the heck? Oh, no, it's her. Okay, let's rest a bit, follow her up here, make sure she doesn't get any ideas. Last time, this was when my recorder decided to crap on me, but so, yeah. I actually have a long ways to go to get a mate. So all this shouldn't have just been in a whole video, and then the second episode I get like a mate. Waffles are so good. Okay, I was replying to Sakura the wolf. So, where'd the elk herd go? Let's check my experience points down. I have 400. I need 400 more. Ooh, so like about 4 more elk to go, and I'm pretty much good. So, please, Elky, where are you? Don't hear the elk hunting music, so I don't know. The music just changed. Elk, where are you? I need to hunt you. Kill you. I finished my waffles. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut until I find the herd, or until I move on. Found him! Let's see, where's the weak one? About you. She's alright, we'll just go for her. Please don't go back to herd, that herd you away from it. Keep her moving. By doing that, I have to move myself. I love WolfQuest. Can't wait for WolfQuest 3, that's gonna be cool. And my friend keeps texting me. You guys probably can't hear that because it's in the other room. But I can hear it. Darn it, this video is going to be too long and I've only taken out like 1 hour. I'm grabbing onto its butthole. Well, at least that's what it looks like. Yeah, you've stopped. I don't know, it's raining. Yay, we got 500 now. 500 XP. EXP, I think. Pack stats. Yep, 500. We need about a few more, and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna pause, hunt a few more, at least get to 800 or 700, and then I'll go get a mate. Got another one. Now we got 600. 2 more to go. I got 800. Let's see if I can get a mate now. Well, I'm gonna cut here until I get to where I need. Actually, let's go over here since we're closer. So, I'll cut until I get there, and yep. And it looks like I've found a scent now. Let's try going this way. Specimen male? What are you looking at? I want to be boss. I'm boss back off. I'm boss back off. I'm boss back off. No, I'm boss back off. Nope, me. Leave now. Aw, no male wolf yet. Guess I'm gonna have to go hunting again. That's a mate. You haven't found a mate yet. Okay, fine, we'll hunt it. We have 950 now. Oops, not that. Oh my gosh, bear, let's go fight it. my area. Okay. I'm pretty sure I have enough experience points to go get a mate, so I'll cut until I get to that wolf territory. Alright. Slough male. Ugh. You're not my family. I want to be boss. I want to be boss. And he looks so much bigger than me. Not a good thing. But I'm actually taking a lot of health out of him. I give in? Leave now. I can take a hint. Okay, obviously this isn't the place where I find my mate. So, next territory. Look for a mate. I know. Soda Butt Vista. Okay. Well, see you when I get there. Ooh, I found a mate. Dispersal male. I'm not sure about this. Ooh, he's cute looking. Hold on. Hello there. Hello. I like you. Let's play. Yay, we're getting a mate. I'm not sure if this is how wolves interact with each other when they're getting mates, but I'm sure that this is probably one of them. The tail wagging, sniffing, and licking. He's licking the air. Because I'm so tiny. Let's start a pack. This wolf becomes your mate. I'm gonna name him Skull. Yay! Skull. Alright, well that's it for today's, or the 2 episodes for today. We finally got our mate. We're gonna find a place to sleep, and then we'll go into the snow. Come on, come here, Skull. I wanna sleep here. Aw, he's laying down. Let's have it be nighttime. Alright, everybody. That's it for the mate, this episode. Peace out, and see you probably in the next one.